Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Lords Mobile on your Android device. If you are looking to join millions of players in a real-time strategy game with alliance, battles, and base building, Lords Mobile is a strong choice. Installing it on your Android device is simple, so let's get started. First of all, on your Android device, tap open the Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then go to the search icon at the bottom and tap on it. Now in the search box that appears at the very top, type in Lords Mobile. Once you do that, search for the app and in the search results, look for the application from igd.com. Now, once you find this application, click on Install to begin the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded on your Android device, and once it does, click on the play button to start playing the game. On your first launch, you may need to accept permissions, download additional assets, log in or create an account, and possibly select a server. Once everything is loaded, you'll be ready to begin your base building, battles, campaigns, and alliance joining. So that's how you easily download and install Lords Mobile on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.